Monkey's Kind Heart, a story of friendship and care. Cars rush past honking. A tiny kitten tries to cross the road. Suddenly, a fast car zooms by, and the kitten gets hit and falls on the side. It was a bright morning. A little kitten tried to cross the busy road. But oh no, a fast car hit her and sped away. A kind monkey sitting on a nearby tree notices the kitten lying hurt. From the tree above, a monkey saw everything. His heart filled with worry. Oh no, that poor kitten needs help. I must do something. The monkey quickly climbs down, looks both ways, and carefully picks up the kitten. Without wasting a second, the monkey jumped down, checked the road, and gently picked up the injured kitten. Don't worry, little friend, I'll help you. The monkey runs through trees and streets, carrying the kitten to a small animal hospital. He hurried to the nearby veterinary hospital. The doctor saw the monkey holding the kitten. Wow, what a caring monkey. Let's help this little one. The vet bandages the kitten's leg. The monkey watches with concern. Dear friends, we have more stories to tell you. So come, Bright Kitten Mania, and enjoy stories in both languages, English and Urdu. The doctor cleaned the wound and gave medicine. The monkey stayed beside her all the time. You'll be fine soon, I promise. Days pass. The kitten starts walking again. The monkey feeds her milk and plays with her. Day by day, the kitten got better. The monkey never left her alone. Meow! Thank you, my kind friend. The kitten runs and plays around with the monkey in the forest. They became best friends, always helping each other. See, helping others makes the world beautiful. The monkey and kitten sit together under a tree as the sun sets. Even animals can show love and care. So children, remember, help others in need. A small act of kindness can save a life. Be kind, help others, care for every life.